Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin your post in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down your screen and here you can see the post that you had made. Click on the 3 horizontal dots of the post that you wanna pin. Then click on Pin Post option. And that is how you can pin your post in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.